Tánaiste, we're now 9 days into a serious and escalating crisis of confidence at Bord Bia, and it's a crisis entirely of the government's own making. At the heart of it is a clear and undeniable conflict of interest. The chair of Bord Bia is also the head of a company importing Brazilian beef, produced to lower standards and weaker safety requirements, while at the same time presiding over the state agency charged with promoting Irish beef, produced to the highest environmental, welfare and food safety standards. Tánaiste, I met with farmers protesting at Bord Bia headquarters. I've spoken directly to those farmers and to their representative organisations. All farm organisations are unequivocal. Larry Murrin's position is untenable, confidence has been lost and he has to go.
We will not remove the chair. You've come for a head and you're not getting one. And that is the position of the Government of Ireland. This is a government that follows due process. This is a government that doesn't decide that protest removes people from office. This is a government that listens. This is a government that engages. And this is a government that believes that if people put up their hand for public service, which is what serving on a commercial semi-state board is, and makes a positive contribution, then they have the support of government. I also want to say this. Bord Bia and the chairman of Bord Bia, Mr Murrin, have presided over massive growth in Bord Bia, massive growth in Irish exports. Does that count for anything in your book? Does that count for the fact that we haven't seen the full figures for 2025 yet, but I'd be surprised if they don't exceed €20 billion in terms of the value now of Irish food exports as well. That's a remarkable achievement. It would be a new record for what is our largest and oldest indigenous industry as well.
So you talk about the success of Bord Bia. It appears that you're oblivious to what that success is built on. It's built on the work of our farmers. It's not Larry Murrin or Bord Bia that are out in these weathers milking cows. It's not Larry Murrin or Bord Bia that are dealing with cows calving in the middle of the night. It's not Larry Murrin or Bord Bia that are actually delivering the highest standards of any farmers anywhere in the world. It's our primary producers. And they, not just me, not just some backbenchers in your own parties and government, are telling you that confidence has been lost in the chair. So what you're doing is you're trying to be evasive, you're trying to look for different ways out of this question, but the ultimate truth is this. The chair of the state agency charged with promoting Irish product across the world is also head of a company that is importing beef from Brazil. That is untenable. That is a clear conflict of interest. So stop trying to dodge, stop trying to protect your man in Bord Bia, and instead protect Irish family farmers by removing the chair of Bord Bia and restoring trust in that organisation.